Hello and welcome. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the process of setting up your very own Penny Planner account. It's quick, it's easy, and it's the first step towards taking control over your finances. Let's get started. First things first, head over to Penny Planner website. You'll find the link in the video description below. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Sign Up button. This might be right in the middle of the page or in the top navigation menu. Easy to find. You'll be taken to the Sign Up page where you need to enter some basic information. Start with your email address, then your first and last name, and finally, we need to choose a strong password to keep our account secure. Make sure your password is strong, but something you'll remember. Maybe combine letters, numbers, and symbols to beef it up. If you do not make your password strong enough, application will let you know. Also, it will make sure you have entered valid data so no mistypes took place. After you fill out the form, just hit Sign Up button and you'll get a confirmation message. Then you'll be redirected to the Sign In page. Alright, now let's sign in using email and password we just set up. It's just to make sure that everything worked out well. And voila! Welcome to Penny Planner's user dashboard. This is where our budgeting journey begins. If you have any questions or need help along the way, don't hesitate to reach out through the messages, email, or just leave a comment below this video or any other video. And one more thing, do not hesitate to browse through the rest of the videos where we share tips about Penny Planner and how to manage your finances effectively. You're on your way to becoming finance wizard with Penny Planner. Thank you for watching and happy budgeting. See you in the next video.